Hello everyone! This video is to show you how to operate the syringe pump. The coated model is iSP. First, let's start the pump. Now it is reminding us if we want to use the last treatment. For the first time we use, we can choose no. And we can see, and then we need to install a syringe. There is a 60mm syringe here. First, we need to pull out the lid screw here, and then pull and rotate the syringe holder. Third, we need to put this syringe right in here to make sure the wings and the lever is stuck. And then we can rotate it again to make sure it is stable. So the installation is finished. Now we can see on the screen that there are 6 icons. Let's try them one by one. The modes, we have 4 modes here: millimeter per hour mode, body weight mode, loading dose mode, and TIVA mode. Today we are going to try this one. The brand, Double Dose. The VTBI means volume to be infused. Let's set 50. And the rate is 100. Well, when 2 of the parameters is settled, the third one can be calculated automatically, like the time here. It will need 30 minutes to finish the whole syringe, whole infusion. Then we can click start here or here to run the pump. Now it's working. If you want to change the flow rate, there is no need to stop the pump. We can click on the value here and to change the flow rate directly. See, it is changed. And the bolus here, it is bolus means we can infuse quickly. The bolus VTBI we can use like 10 millimeters, and the bolus rate we can set up to 2000, the maximum. Then click start. Well, that's how millimeter per hour modes work. Then we go to settings part. The settings part, drug library here. We have 20 drugs built in the pump already. And the KBO rate, we can choose from 0.01 to 5. And the bolus rate is adjustable. We can select any value we want, like 255. And occlusion pressure, we have 4 levels occlusion pressure here. You can choose each of them. And the DPS means dynamic pressure system. If we want to use this, we just active. You can see the real-time pressure shown in the screen. Let's go back to the, now it is shown here. The finish pre-alarm is to remind the nurse or doctors the infusion is about to finish. We can set any time you want to remind you. The reminder alarm is also the same. You can choose the time you want. And the weight unit, we have different units. A pressure unit, we have 4 kinds of pressure unit: millimeter of mercury, K-pop, bar, and PSI. This is the micro mode. Micro mode means you need to meet the requirements of an ICU and some newborn. We should limit the maximum flow rate for them to protect them. If we activate this, then the maximum flow rate for all the syringe size should be less than 100 millimeters per hour. We can go back to see the settings. If we want to select 2000, no, it will only be 100. Then the commonly used syringe brand. We already have 5 syringe brand here. And the reset total volume means the data clearance. Then we go to the general part, the network connection. If the pump is built-in Wi-Fi model, then we can activate Wi-Fi here. Relay mode means if the pump is equipped with IRDA, we can activate this mode. It means when the first pump finishes infusion, the second pump can run automatically. Well, let's go to patient part. Patient part is to record all the patient's information, such as name, weight, height, and the syropay. The operation is simple. And the records part. We have history entries. We can record about 5,000 entries here. And the last syropays, we can record 20 syropays. And we can also export history records by the port behind our pump. Now we go to the system. The system language is adjustable. You can choose any language you want. SN means the pump ID. Version is related to engineer. We can see some information related to this pump. And the most important part is the maintenance. First, we need to enter the password 2341. And now we need to do the brand maintenance. If we want to do the maintenance, we should first add a new brand. Let's say ADG. And size, let's choose 50. And we should make sure the size is 50. Now we can start calibrating. This progress will take about 3 minutes, so we can wait. Now we can see that the calibration is all completed. And then let's take out the syringe and pull it again. Now we can see that we can choose the ADG here and start. It is on ADG syringe brands in running. So that's all for the calibration. Now we finish all the basic operation. Then we can stop the pump and reset all of the value and the power of the pump.